Alright, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. This is System Rashid Ahmed, Chairman of Rose Landmark Video University UPL. Alhamdulillah. Today I'm going to be teaching you some of the basic angles of sine, cosine, and tangent. If you're an O-level student taking your pure maths exam, or if you're taking your Algebra 2 exams in your Regents exam, or also if you're taking AP classes in trigonometry, or even if you're taking SAT, these are the special angles which is very beneficial if you can remember. So always remember for sine of 0 degree is 0, sine of 30 degree is half, sine of 45 is 1 by root 2, sine of 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine of 90 is 1. You just need to remember the sine values. If you remember the sine values, you can easily find cosine and tangent. I'll show you the trick. So sine of 0 is 0, sine of 30 is half, sine of 45 is 1 by root 2, sine of 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine of 9 is 1. If you remember sine, you can easily find out cosine and tangent. How? Cosine is exactly the opposite of sine. So cosine of 0 would be 1, cosine of 30 would be root 3 by 2, cosine of 45 would be exactly the same, cosine of 60 would be half, and cosine of 90 would be 0. This is exactly opposite to the sine values. So if you remember the sine values, you can easily find out the cosine values. You just reverse it. And the tangent is always sine divided by cosine. So basically, for 0 degree, 0 divided 1 is 0. For 30 degree, half divided by root 3 by 2 is basically 1 by root 3. 45 is basically this divided by this, that is 1. 60 would be root 3 by 2 divided by half, so that is root 3. And 90 is basically 1 divided by 0, it is undefined. Yeah, so you always have an asymptote curve at 90 of tangent. I'll show you what asymptote is when I explain the graphs. So basically remember that this chart, this is necessary for your pure maths, for your SAT, and also for your Regents exam. You just need to remember the sine scale. Once you know the sine scale, you can figure out the cosine and the tangent. Thank you so much.